Okay, guys. At last it took its time. It's dark outside and it's fucking 1 a.m. But it's finally finished. My Tamiya drift car. Hell yeah, it's beautiful. It did take its time, but yeah. Now I just need to set the ESC and the speed controller. I guess the ESC is the speed controller, but yeah, you know what I mean. So it's finally done. Everything is tightened up and ready to roll. And I have the on and off right about. Come on, focus, you son of a blip. Anyways, it says on and off over there, so yeah. Finally done. Took me a whole day to assemble it. So that's the radio, obviously. And my fingers hurt like hell. So, yeah. So enjoy the film, guys, and some drift videos will come up pretty soon. So later, guys.